What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom one more again. Today on this Dreadlock Style tutorial, I'm gonna show you all how to do, I don't even know what to call this thing. It's kind of like a two-strand twisted and flat twisted updo. It's similar to that French roll, a bouffant if you will. I don't really have much else to say about this, so just watch. So, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna flat twist the top of your head. So I split my hair down the middle, made a middle part. You can also do 4 flat twists if you want to, or if you want to do cornrows and just do 2 cornrows, that's cool too. But what I'm just going to do is just flat twist this part of my head. And you're just rolling it basically along. Also, I'm going upward so that way the hair is pulled up in this particular style. And you're gonna do that until you've reached where you want to on your head. I'm stopping just past my ear is where I'm gonna go. And then after you've done that, there's a rubber band left in my hair from when I did this earlier. After you've done that, take a small rubber band. And you only need to really go around your hair once, because what you're going to do after that, so rubber band your hair. After that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a larger rubber band and pull the 2 flat twists, or 4 if you did 4, or cornrows, whatever you did. You're gonna put them all together into one ponytail. So all the leftover locks from those 2, you're gonna put into a ponytail like so, like that. And then they'll come together like that. Now, for the rest of your hair, what I have done already and what you will do with your hair or your locks is you're going to 2-strand twist all of the hair that is running along the side. Again, I'm doing this style for if you have a DREADHAWK, if you have a full head of dreads, it's gonna be a little bit different. And then for this next part, what you're going to do, I'm gonna start with the right side first, is you're going to take your first set, which is actually behind the locks, and you're going to wrap it over that rubber band and then kind of tuck it underneath. And then the next lock, or the next 2-strand twist, you're going to take that and then put that right underneath the lock. And you're just going to continue this pattern all the way down your head. So just take the next lock, wrap it over, tuck it underneath, and just keep going at it until you have gone all the way down. And of course, if you're doing this and you need straight pins, use straight pins or whichever type of thing you need to secure it. But just keep going, keep throwing them around. And then what I do at the very bottom is that I just take straight pins and pin the hair up. So that way it don't go nowhere. And then once you pin the hair, you are done. And that's about it. So, quick 360. Pretty much like a unisex style too. Like, this is definitely something that men and women can rock. Obviously, if you want to dress it up, like say, I don't know, like this will definitely look cleaner if you just retwisted your locks. Definitely, if you really want the roots to be really clean and and really show, then obviously you can. My roots are grown out, as you can see, but I still like how it looks. Like, it still has kind of a cool, like, regal, but still, like, I like how the two-strand twists look really intricate when they're not really that intricate at all. So that's why I like this style, but hope you guys like it. So there you guys have it, a quirky, interesting, two-strand twisted, flat twisted updo thing. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it if you want to, tweet it out, post it on your Facebook, let people know that we doing some things up in here. If you have any questions about this style or anything else on my channel, let me know in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this video. Click that subscribe button right below. Wait till the end of the video, whatever you want to do. If you on mobile, flip your phone back right up and click that red button. And in the spirit of continuing celebrating 3 years of Locs, I appreciate you guys for watching this video, this little trilogy of videos that I posted this week. With that being said, I will see y'all when I see y'all. It may be next Monday, it may be 2 Mondays later, but you know how it is. New videos every Monday-ish. So until next time, y'all, peace.